one gone and another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
Well, today's a good day. Exactly 3 weeks after I sent it in, I got my Xbox 360 back. And, as you can see, it's all padded up nicely, so should be quite well protected from whatever bumps and problems may have occurred during shipping. And it's time to get this thing set up. So let's do this. Okay, so in the box you'll find a letter detailing Microsoft's apology for the inconvenience of you having to send in your system, a 1-month live subscription card, essentially replacing that month you lost having to send in your system, and a letter detailing how you can reactivate your licenses for your downloadable content. So why don't we start getting this set up? I've got all my cables laid out ready to go. Got my HDMI cable, my Ethernet cable, and of course, most importantly, the power cable. Alright. Of course, I can't forget a hard drive, which I safely stowed away when I packaged up the system. Just slide that in there, press down, and it's ready to go. Alright, let's get the system fired up. Switch my monitor over to the HDMI connection. Turn on my speakers. And I don't think I have my sound on right now, so let's just power up the system and see if it works. And here we go. Alright, everything's back online once again. So, all I have to do is re-enter all my licenses by downloading again all the content that I downloaded before. Yes, I know it can be a bit annoying, but them's the breaks sometimes, you know? About 3 weeks, that's what it took. And I've got a system back, so I can finally play again. I'll see you online.